In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate WordPress in Gohighlevel. We'll walk through the process together from inside your Gohighlevel account, and this is a very straightforward setup. Just keep in mind that activating WordPress in Gohighlevel includes a monthly subscription, so you'll want to be ready for that before you confirm anything. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're in the correct account or location where you want to enable WordPress. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the tools and features available in your account. From that left side menu, click on Sites. This section is where Gohighlevel keeps website-related tools, funnels, and other web assets. If you've never used this area before, don't worry, you're in exactly the right place for activating WordPress. After that, move to the top menu within the Sites area and click on WordPress. This will open the WordPress section inside Gohighlevel. If WordPress hasn't been activated yet, you should see the option to begin the setup process from here. Next, click on Activate WordPress. This is the button that starts the activation process for your account. Once you select it, Gohighlevel will show you the subscription details for enabling WordPress. At this stage, you'll be prompted to subscribe to WordPress for $10 per month. Take a moment to review the pricing and make sure everything looks correct. It's always a good idea to double check that you're activating this in the right account, especially if you manage multiple locations or client workspaces. When you're ready to continue, click the button to pay $10 and subscribe. This confirms the activation and starts your WordPress subscription inside Gohighlevel. After that, the platform will begin setting things up for you. Once the subscription is processed, WordPress should be activated for that account, and you'll be able to move forward with your WordPress setup inside Gohighlevel. If the page takes a moment to load, that's completely normal, so just give it a few seconds. And that's it. That's how to activate WordPress in Gohighlevel. It only takes a few clicks, and once it's turned on, you'll be ready to start working inside the WordPress area of your account.